Hi everyone, Electro here. A couple of videos ago I made a video showing the cell, and I said that I was able to get something like the inductive coupling signal out of the alternator, the winding there with the diodes. It was quite a while ago, and it's been so long I've kind of forgotten how I've done it. I could redo it again, but it'd probably take me a long time. But I've managed to dig up some photos of it now. There's a picture of everything running. First I tried this circuit here, but it didn't work. So I changed a few things, and that's when I got this. Now, it's not exactly the same as the Meyer inductive coupling, but it's not that far off it, if you can see what I mean. Now, again, don't forget, this is off an alternator with a constant 5 volt, 1 amp DC feed to it. It's not a pulse feed, it's a constant feed. So, that's just my cell. Here's some more shots of it. That was first when I was learning how to pulse, or get the alternator to pulse itself, because again, like I said, it was on a 5 volt constant feed. That's a crappy attempt at a step charge. But once I got it to pulse, then I moved on to trying to get it to step charge. It's another crappy attempt there. After that, I got it to do that. Now, in my last video, I'm trying to get this to do that sort of bit better, a bit more like the step charge in here. Now, in my last video, that was what I've got, which is again another crappy attempt at that. But anyway, you can see what I'm doing, I hope. So yeah, another thing it's one of the tools I used, actually I want to show you, is I call it my visualization coil. And when you're thinking about magnetic fields and voltage, direction and all that sort of stuff, when you're looking at an alternator like that, sometimes it gets hard to trace the wires, especially when they get in the middle, and it's hard to see them when you're trying to visualize something. So a while ago, again, before I scrapped the windings like I have so many other times, here you can see this is like a bag full of copper wire. It's not only the alternator windings, it's the VIC coil windings as well, but that's after I straighten the wire out as many times as I can. I have to chuck it out, but that's my scrap. But before I scrapped this one, what I did was cut the top threads, removed it all without loosening the bottom thread, so it all stayed together, and then retied it roughly. So I've got it like this. Now, that lets me see every individual wire, every individual direction. I can even pull it apart a little bit if I want, whatever. But it really helps me when I sit down and think about it and try to work out how things work. So anyway, that's all I've got to say for tonight. So post your thoughts and leave your comments. Bye for now.